I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fishball soup. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of fresh fish paste, which is the heart of our delicious fish balls. For the soup base, prepare 1.5 liters of a good quality chicken or fish broth. Don't forget to chop 2 spring onions and about 1 inch of fresh ginger for aromatic flavor. Finally, have 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and a pinch of white pepper on hand to season. Now let's craft those delightful fish balls. Start by seasoning your fish paste with 1 teaspoon of salt and a dash of white pepper, mixing well. Using 2 spoons, gently scoop and shape the paste into small, uniform balls. The smoother they are, the better they'll cook. Carefully drop these into a pot of simmering, not boiling, water. Cook them until they float to the surface, which usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes, indicating they are perfectly done. With your fish balls ready, it's time to assemble the soup. Bring your 1.5 liters of chicken or fish broth to a gentle simmer in a clean pot. Add the sliced ginger and a pinch of white pepper to infuse the broth with flavor. Carefully transfer your cooked fish balls into this aromatic broth. Let them simmer for a few minutes to absorb the delicious flavors. Finally, garnish generously with fresh chopped spring onions and a small drizzle of sesame oil for an extra layer of aroma. Your homemade fish ball soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it piping hot in bowls, perhaps alongside some delicate rice noodles or a comforting side of steamed rice. This warm, savory dish is perfect for any meal. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they'll stay fresh for up to 2 days. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.